guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited because we're gonna do a makeup look with the new palette, or basically the new collaboration of NYANE. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Collab with MORPHE. I'm so excited. This palette so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I just like see the palette and I see definitely like her different makeup looks, different colors also of hair styles. Oh my god, I just love the palette so big. Oh my god, I just can't wait to play again with this palette. And I'm saying it again because if you're new to this channel, I have 3 channels, and when I purchase a palette, I do 3 different makeup looks for the 3 channels with the same palette, but I never touch the same eyeshadow. And if you don't know who she is, I don't know how I met her. I don't know how I found her on Instagram, or I think it just popped. I have no idea. I don't remember. But her photos are so beautiful. She's gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with her photos. She does different poses with different wigs, with different makeup looks. Oh my god, beautiful. People were asking her like, how does she take those photos, and she was explaining exactly how to do it. And I love that because not a lot of people at this moment do that, like explains step by step, like where to put the camera, how to put the angle. If you do it like that, it's gonna appear like this, and you're gonna pose a certain way, it's gonna look like that. So I felt like she was very sweet in explaining how to do it. And also she mentioned that it's her boyfriend who takes the pictures. Oh my god, such a beautiful teamwork. Here is the palette. I feel like it's bigger than what I expected it to be. So you have her right there, and with different squares, and in each square the hair is different, the style is different, the makeup is different, the lips. And it says MORPHE X NYAN, Fears of Fairy Tale, and with so many cute flowers. I love it. And it says Artistry Palette. At the side it says Fears Fairy Tale, and at the back it says MORPHE X NYAN, Fears Fairy Tale, Enchanted, and unapologetic. Oh my god, I can't pronounce it. Back she wrote something to us. It says, this fairy tale starts with you, whether you dream in gorgeous gangster golds or baby bear blues. These fantastical shades are ready to save the day with a bright burst of color. So stop staring and strike a pose. Strike a pose because she does so many poses. You get it? Find your happily ever after in every bold swatch and swipe. So NYANE. Oh, I love it. So let's open the palette. And I love that it has this extra protection inside. Just can't take it out like that. So big and beautiful. As you guys can see, the palette and the box, it's absolutely the same thing. I love how it feels. It just feels like a book. So again, we have her in the front, the same thing as the box that says MORPHE X NYAN, Fears Fairy Tale, and at the back it's just plain with this baby blue color. At the bottom it says Artistry Palette. And let's open this palette. Voila, it's so beautiful. It says Enchanted and Unapologetic. The same message, or the same little letter that she wrote to us, the same as the box. And then here we have 3 different makeup styles, different hairstyles. Oh my god, I love it on this side. And then we have this horizontal pink, horizontal green and blue, orange and yellows, and it's the same thing with the eyeshadow colors. Definitely a colorful palette. So here we have Unapologetic, Pose, Strange, Parjita, Temper, Violet Flame, Cayenne Cat, Gorgeous Gangster, Fairy Tale, Fariki. Let's go to the greens. We have Sesh, Bizarre, 90s Thriller, love it, She's Bad, Ampona, YouTube, Barleduc, Bang, I Roll Young Mitzi, Juice Baby Girl, Paleza, Stop Staring, Jan, Gyoza, Baby Bear, like this one, Chai Latte Please, so I believe she likes chai latte, Shapeshifter, Silence, and Booby. Booby, Boo and B.
Does that?
It says, no, it says Boo and B.
Oh.
And I said Booby.
Oh, like together.
Yeah, that went together. Oh
I
my
thought
God.
it said like one color said boo and one color said B, so when you
And I'm holding it like this, and it feels like a book, like I'm reading a book. Yeah. I was thinking to recreate one of her makeup looks. This channel, we're gonna do in the pink and violet colors, because on the other one we did blues and I think a little bit of yellow. So this time we're gonna do pink and purples. And I like the green. Obviously, the only eyeshadow color, I know I told you guys that I don't touch the same one, but I have to because I need to set the concealer that I already apply on my crease. So I have to use again the color Silence, which is this one over here. Set really quick this eyeshadow, and I love it that we have it on this palette, especially because I feel like we always need this kind of eyeshadow to set the concealer, and we already have a colorful palette, so I think it's like a must that we need to have it. Let me swatch this one over here, which is called Violet and Flame, just to see what it looks like. Okay, I feel like it just makes purple, like a violet shimmer. Oh, it's beautiful. I like it. Okay, so maybe that one we can use. Recreate her look. Just, I'm gonna make it a little, I'm gonna make some changes because I feel like I don't have the same eyeshadow colors on this palette as the one that she used on that picture. So we're gonna change it. But so the first color I'm gonna use is called Gorgeous Gangsta, which is this pink. And I'm just gonna tap this color on my lid. Keep tapping and just go with the shape of my lid. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Just tapping the color. This one is really nice. Same thing on this side. I feel like this side I went a little bit higher than what I was supposed to go. I feel like you can't really see how high she goes makeup all the way at the end because the wig covers it. So I'm gonna try to make it work. Like she makes a shape like this. Just a small one, because then I feel that there's the other eyeshadows that are gonna come. That with another flat brush, I'm gonna use the color Violet Flame, which is the one that we did a swatch. Just make like a line and continue to go up. Okay, I feel like this one you can't really see as the way I want it to be seen, so I'm gonna use the color Unapologetic with this shimmer purple. So hopefully it's more pigmented. Okay, yeah, it's more pigmented. So I'm just gonna go all the way up and go up, and she goes outside of the eye. She makes like a big, I feel like an arrow shape on the nose and the inner corner of the eye. So that's what we're gonna do, like that. It's kind of thick, so that's why I feel like I call it the arrow. A little bit lower. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Go around and go up again, do the arrow going towards the nose. On top she goes with a lighter pink, so I feel like with the pink we have it, so it's called Nyan Cat, which is this pink over here. It's more like a Barbie pink. And now with another brush, I don't know if it's this one, is too thick. We're going to apply it from the inner corner to just start applying that pink and bring it towards the outside part of the eye. Just do the same thing. I should have used like a flat brush just to make it more neat. The bottom part, she has the darker purple. That I'm gonna use the color Pose. I don't feel like it's that intense, but I feel like I don't have another choice. Adding this purple underneath. I'm gonna work a little bit more. Do the same thing on this side. Now we're seeing a lot the movie Trolls, and I feel like Poppy right now. Color Temper with the same brush that we add the purple. Another brush, more precise, and I'm just gonna make this line and going a little bit on the violet. And do the same thing on this side, make the line. And this is the final makeup look. Oh my god, I would definitely feel like Poppy from Trolls. Okay, let's talk about the palette. So the palette is so beautiful, so gorgeous. You see it and it's definitely her. Love the back also, that is just plain with this baby blue. Thing that I really like was the letter that she put it on the back of the box. We also have it here. I mean, we know in these kind of large palette, we don't have mirrors. So I don't mind that. I mean, we have mirrors, but for smaller palettes, I love the creativity. Like we have the pinks, the blues and the greens and the orange and the yellows. I just love the whole thing, the whole idea. We have 3 different makeup looks, hairstyles in different colors. And with this palette, it is very colorful. The eyeshadows were pigmented. We didn't have this, have that for the Spanish channel because we use other colors that I feel like it's hard to work with. I feel like the pinks are easier and yeah, to make. So this time we didn't have any trouble with it. But remember, you can help a little bit the eyeshadows with concealer, but this time we didn't have to use that. I really love this one, how it turned out. I mean, you can add this to your lid and it looks so beautiful. It's soft, like a soft violet shimmer. I don't know for the other channel, like this green, it's really tempting me. With this one, you guys know that this, especially this green, it's very like in right now, so I think I'm gonna go with that one for the French channel. But I love it. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous, the palette, everything. It's so beautiful. It's definitely her. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of makeup look you would go with, what kind of eyeshadow color you would use with this palette. But I'll leave the link of the other videos on the description box so you guys want to see the other makeup looks. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget that I have Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.